Are you searching for the best electric jack? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric jacks in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Vevor 5-ton electric car jack LBS hydraulic jack powerful electric car jack. Lifting capacity 5 tons than 23. Lifting range 6.1 to 17.7 155 to 400 degrees. This electric car jack kit is a lifesaver during roadside emergencies and can be used for at-home garage repairs. It matches all autos, sedans, SUVs, trucks, or vehicles that suit its capacity. Lifted in minutes, say goodbye to tedious manual operations. Our electric jack for cars only takes about 2 minutes to reach a maximum height, 17.7 inches. Anyone can easily lift their vehicle out of trouble. When the car jack reaches its max height, it will automatically stop lifting to ensure security. Note: the jack must be used on flat surface. Quick tire inflation. With a tire inflator pump installed in the electric hydraulic car jack, there is no need to worry about a tire broken emergency in the middle of nowhere. Hidden toolboxes on both sides keep the inflatable tube and inflatable needles quick tire inflation well organized. Equipped with a tire pressure display, you can monitor the tire pressure while pumping. Your car says thank you. High stability and security. Reliable cross-groove design of the support head effectively stabilizes the jacked car securely. The upgraded hydraulic seal system ensures no oil leaks. Additionally, the built-in LED light is bright enough to use at night, and the pressure relief valve for manual lowering provides enhanced security, even if the power is accidentally cut off. More than one way to charge. The electric hydraulic jack for your vehicle can be powered by a 12-volt cigarette lighter or car battery, and equipped with a long 13 feet power cord, so you can place it by the front or rear tire without having to think twice. We also provide you with 3 spare fuses, and our fuses are TUV and UL certified, so you can use them confidently.